So in this video, we are going to learn how to create Tumblr photo post when new media is posted in Instagram. Now suppose guys you are an active Instagram user and you have a huge community on Tumblr as well. And on a regular basis, you have to share some posts on Instagram and Tumblr as well. And creating the same post on multiple platforms can be a repetitive and time-consuming task for you. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this process. So using this automation, whenever a new post will be shared on your Instagram account, automatically the same image will also be created or shared as a new post in your Tumblr profile as well. You can post the same image, the same caption, and also if you want, you can add the link, the URL of your Instagram post as well. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on my Instagram account. Now here I want that whenever I post a photo on my Instagram profile, I also want to create the same post in my Tumblr profile as well and share it over there. Now to do this, first we have to connect Instagram with Tumblr. And to do this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration platform. So here you can see that we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Instagram to Tumblr. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Instagram account, our Instagram profile with Pabbly Connect, so that every time we share a new post on Instagram, the same post can be received inside Pabbly Connect workflow as well. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those same details to Tumblr so that using those same Instagram post details, we can create a post in Tumblr as well. So let's begin. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for Instagram. Select Instagram for business. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new media posted in my account. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now guys, we have to connect our Instagram for business account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Instagram button. And because we have already logged into our Instagram account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection. And after making this connection, it is asking us Instagram account to use. And here in the drop down, you can see the same Instagram account which we have just now connected. Now after this, when you will click on this save and send test request button, instantly the details of the most recent post, the latest post, the last post which we have created on our Instagram profile, the details of this post will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So let's click on save and send test request. And yes, here in response, you can see that the details of the same post are received. Here you can see our username. We will scroll down. Here you can see the link, the URL of the image which we have posted. Let's copy this image from here, go to a new tab and paste it over here. And here you can see that the same image which I have posted on my Instagram profile, the last post, is received inside Pabbly Connect. Then we will scroll down further. You can see the link, the URL of our Instagram post as well. So copy this link from here, paste it, and it will take you to the same post on our Instagram profile. And here you can see the caption of the same post, the same caption which we have added with this Instagram post. So here guys, we can see that the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Instagram for business account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of a last post, recent post from Instagram in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now let's move to the next step. And in step 2, what we want to do, we want to create an image post in Tumblr with the same details. We have to share the same image with the same caption on Tumblr. For that, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in choose app, search for Tumblr. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create photo post. Now here you also have an option to create the text post, audio post, or link post, quote post, chart post, all of those things. But because we usually post images on Instagram, so we are going to create the photo post. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here at this step, we have to connect our Tumblr account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Tumblr button. And then in the same way, here you can see that because we have already logged into our Tumblr account as well, Pabbly Connect has detected that account and it is asking us for the authorization permission. Click on allow and we will see our Tumblr account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it is in the drop down asking us for the blog. Basically, in which blog on our Tumblr account we want to create this photo post. So here on my Tumblr account, right now I have only one blog named as Pabbly over here. So you can see the same blog over here. Then after that, the next thing it asks us is the photo. And here in photo section, we have to enter the URL, the link of the image which we want to post on Tumblr. So we have received the link of the image which we have posted on Instagram in the trigger window response of Instagram for Business. And from these responses, we have to basically map the same response of media URL over here in this field of photo. And guys, the process of mapping is extremely simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, here you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Instagram of the recent post. Just select this link response of media URL and it will be mapped over here. Now after this, it is asking us for the caption. So we have also received the caption from Instagram. Here's the response of caption. So we will map the same caption, same Instagram caption in this caption field. Just click here and from the drop down, select the response of caption and map it. Then it is asking us click through link and the help text says the URL someone is taken to when they click on the photo. So here you also have an option to embed or add any kind of click through link that whenever on Tumblr, the user will click on this post, this image on our Tumblr account, that person will be redirected to a particular link. So let's say we wanted to mention the link of our Instagram post. So here we have the link of our permanent link of our Instagram post. Let's map that same link over here so that whenever a user will click on our Tumblr post of the same image, they will be redirected to our Instagram post. Then after that, it is giving us an option of tags. And here you can add multiple tags with comma separated values. Like for example, we are creating this post on Tumblr from Instagram. So I want to create a tag as Instagram. So this is a tag I want to give all the posts I create using this automation. Then you have an option to add custom URL. So I don't want to create any kind of custom URL. So I'm just ignoring it. And at last, it is asking us for the state. So from the drop down, here you can see that we have options published, queue, draft, private and approved. We have 5 different states in which we can create a post. Either you can directly publish it, you can queue it, you can keep this post in draft, you can keep it private or unapproved. If you want to directly publish it, you can select it. So let's take an example that I want to directly publish the post which I have shared on Instagram on Tumblr. So we have selected the state as published. And after that, just click on this save and send test request button. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the post whose details we have mapped over here, this image with this caption and this click-through link, a new post has been published on my Tumblr profile which we have connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's see. We will go to our Tumblr account and refresh our profile page once. And yes guys, here you can see that the same image which we have posted on our Instagram account is now posted as a new post, a new image post in my Tumblr profile. And here you can see the same caption which we have added in our Instagram post. Escape to your own private oasis in the middle of the sea. Here you can see the same post and also we have added the link, the click-through link over here. When the user will click on this link on the Tumblr post, they will be redirected to our Instagram post over here. So here you can see that the automation workflow which we have created in this video using Pabbly Connect, this is working perfectly fine. Now every time a new post will be shared on our Instagram account, automatically the same post will be shared on our Tumblr profile as well. Now guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once in real time. We will go to our Instagram profile and we are going to create a new post. Just click on this create button. Let's upload a file. This is a post I have. Click on open, click on next, and let's add a caption. A beautiful sunset from a beach. This is the caption which I want to give. Click on share. And that is it. Just now we have created a new post on our Instagram profile. So let's refresh it and here you can see the same post over here. Now after this guys, after sharing this post, what we can do, we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here. Now because the connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection, so in this type of connection, it basically takes Instagram and Pabbly Connect to sync, and then every 10 minutes Pabbly Connect will go to Instagram and check for that whether we have updated a new post on our Instagram profile or not in last 10 minutes. And if we have updated the post, it will get the details of that post and this automation workflow will trigger. So here guys, let's wait for 10 minutes and then we are going to check our Tumblr profile. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Tumblr profile. We will go to Tumblr. We will refresh our Tumblr profile. And yes, here you can see that the same image, exact same image which we have just now posted on Instagram is now posted as a new post or is published as a new post in Tumblr. Here you can see the same tag caption which we have added, the same tag hashtag Instagram which we have added in Pabbly Connect, and you can see the same link of the Instagram post. When you will click on this link, it will redirect it to the same post which we have shared on Instagram. Now this means guys, the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.